Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing basically a DECAT and a full back box with the MX5. So if I flip around, I've currently got it checked in the air. I've already spent the past 2 hours removing the cat, which has been an absolute ball ache. As you can see, this right here is a snap bolt. I don't know where my 10mm gone, it's gone somewhere. Oh, there it is, put it back. But yeah, the bolt snapped in the actual socket, and I can't for the life of me get it out of the socket. So I've now essentially lost a 10mm, which is fantastic. But yeah, this bolt on here last night snapped because I got home from work and decided to stupidly at 8:30 at night try and do the cat on the car. Obviously, to no prevail because it's an old car. Me thinking it's going to be a 5-minute job was like an hour and a half, and I just gave up. So I drove to work today with a snapped bolt, which was great. This one here snapped, not the other side. And then yes, I've only managed to take it off a second ago. This nut, I don't know if you can see, these are like fresh and these are like really, I don't know how to even describe it, but this was an absolute ball ache to take off. But yeah, I feel like it's only customary. Also this thing, whatever this thing is, I mean it's not on the, where is it? It's not on the DECAT at all, so it's clearly not important. So like, that's gone. So I like got pliers, those ones there, just snipped it. It is there. Oh, let me see if I can get into the car. Yeah, there you go. There is like a connection plug, like just there. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I think you can. Yeah, for the life of me, I can't figure out how to get unplugged. So it's just dangling at the moment. I might literally just, with the pliers, just cut it from here. Oh, there you go, just cut it literally just from here. Because, yeah, it's clearly not important. There's a connection for it. It's just a bit of metal on the end of it. So yeah. If the light comes on my dashboard, but at the end of the day, it's not that big of a deal, is it? But you can see here, this is the cat's obviously missing. Oh, I feel like with a new exhaust system, when you like take off an exhaust, I think it's only customary to start the car with no exhaust on. So, oh, I hate this bloody noise. It's so annoying. Stop. Are you ready? Yeah, it's very loud. That was a bit stupid. So yeah, time to put this the new one on. It's significantly smaller, like obviously because this bit is the actual cat itself. Yeah, I'll figure out which way it goes on. Oh, there you go, that way around. Should be pretty straightforward. It came with the fitting hardware, which is like the gaskets and the bolts and nuts and stuff. So I'm literally just gonna, hopefully this goes on straight away, because I really can't be arsed. Getting that cat off was an absolute joke. So yeah. For a second. The cat's got the first. What the fuck? Am I being stupid or what? Oh no, it's the right one. I thought it was too freaking short then. I was like, what the fuck? Because this is a 1992 MX5. So I've got the 370mm like DECAT pipe, because on both racing it does say that you should get the like 1989 to 2003 93. That's not going to work, is it? What the fuck is that, bro? Hold on, I'm gonna get the camera and show you this. Yeah. look at this. So obviously this side's on properly, but this side up here is, I don't usually see that. Like, how is that even meant to go on? Because the bolt is completely wonky. One side's on and then, you see what I mean? Hold on, I'm gonna put this side in first and then see if that will make any difference. I don't know. Hold on. Right, okay. Yeah, I've sussed it out. So yeah, I had to put this side in first. And now, ow, God, that hurt. Freaking bit of rust on my elbow. Cool. Look at it. Bolt there. Bolt through there. And then if I were to like obviously bring it in, because it's not obviously tightened up yet. Oh my God, dust on my. Yeah, it'll sit a lot better. But obviously when I put the new exhaust and stuff on, it'll be different anyway. So I'm not going to put this side on yet. I'm going to do this side first, get this off, and then that hanger out, and then the back box off as well. Oh, and I'll show you what I'm replacing it with now as well. So I've got, so this, oh, not, is it second, I don't know if this is a center section or not, but this to go on the end of the cat, so it'll go on obviously the side, and that'll be at the back, and it connects to this bit, which is the Malian 2.5 inch or 3 inch back box thing. But yeah, it's quite big. Big baked bean tin. Make all Honda boys proud. But yeah, it came with a bit of hardware, 2 gaskets, 2 bolts, and then washers and stuff like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna go. Oh, actually, I just need to see. So what I'm gonna get on the car quickly, loosen these bolts off for the back box center section thingy, and then come back, because if I spend like 7 hours doing that again like I did last night, then I'm gonna be pissed. So I'm gonna get them loose, then I'll be back. Right, what I'm gonna do as well quick, as I completely forgot to even think about it, I'm gonna tighten up the DECAT now with that old back box still on, and then start up the car, see how it sounds with DECAT. I haven't got already any videos of it starting with the old cat with that on. So yeah, I'm just gonna start it with the DECAT on, see how it sounds, and then do a comparison between the current like back box, and then with the new Malian one, and see how much better it sounds. So yeah. Oh, alright. There you go. That's all tight now. So moment of truth, see if it sounds any better or just the same as it was before. So let's, without further ado, with this stupid ass freaking shit stop. It's so annoying. Oh, to be fair, that's not any different. Yeah, that's not any different to how it was before. So this is literally how it was before, because it's got just 2 tailpipes. Fucking hell, you can smell the difference. Jesus Christ. Yeah, yeah, this is how quiet it was before. Literally no different in sound. I guess it's a good representation because it's literally the same level, so I know it's idling and stuff, but I would have thought it might be a bit louder. Yeah, that's literally exactly the same. Fair enough. Right, guess on with the new exhaust. Let's go. Right, okay. Update. Back box is now off. So is the rear pipe. That was quite possibly the most annoying fucking back box I've ever had to use or take off in my life. There's one bolt. Had to get the fucking axle grinder out. Yeah, it's completely on the ground now, as you can see. The bolt that was connected here was an absolute fucking joke. You see where it's fucking gone? There it is. Yeah, you can see I've had to cut that fucker off. Fuck, that's what. Yeah, so now got to undo it from that side there, out on the cat. Get the new one, slide it in, take off that hangers out. Also, these exhaust hangers are fucking ridiculously soft. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm gonna go with the good thing because, yeah, they come off well easy. Yeah, sorted. Now I've got to move it well away. Like I said, take that bit off, and then yeah, So I'm gonna take this pipe off, and then I'll be back and we can fit the whole exhaust together, right? See you in a sec. Right, okay, there we go. Old exhaust is completely off now. There it is. Black box is there. Just take that pipe off. Actually very easy. All you have to literally WD filter on the end of these came off literally like butter. So now it's just essentially just getting this in. Same one as that. And then yeah, good to go. So I'm gonna put the camera somewhere so I can basically show you what I'm doing, and then I'm yeah. Oh, that one's definitely fucking tight. Oh, there's literally no space in the car. Right, okay. Update. That has taken me, what time is it now? 6:15. That's taken me 2.5 hours just to get the back box on. As you can see, it's not straight. Yeah, to be fair, I need to get a new bumper anyway. But yeah, I've had to. I don't know if I can even show you from here, because I'm not taking it off. Can you see that in there? You can see it like just this bit. I've had to fucking cut that off. Also, I've had to the support strut has to come off, which is fucking not ideal, especially for like the car. So yeah, this bolt's snapped on this side. I can't see because the sun's literally reflecting. Yeah, you see that right there, that's the bolt for that one, so I mean it has to come out no matter what, but hey ho. But yeah, it's a bit fucking shit. I haven't tightened those bolts down there just yet. I've only just a second got this on, but that was by far, I can't even physically get this one on. It's just gonna have to run with 2 hangers. That'll do, honestly. But yeah, it's not going anywhere. It's literally almost straight from that. Oh. Right, okay, that's all tight now. Now we can try it. Yeah, we can try it. I'm just trying to think of, see if I tightened the back box bit to the pipe that I have. That sounds a lot better. Yeah, there's no exhaust leak in that. Just double check. Let's get on the car. Fucking rattling. There's something rattling. Obviously, still gonna take this off. Can't hear any exhaust leaks. See if you can hear any. Oh, actually, I can see one there. See one right there. See that bubbling? That's a leak. I'm gonna sort that out quick. Well, I'm gonna tighten those up and then try again. Hopefully that leak stopped. But yeah, literally almost there. I'm gonna take the mufflers out because I'm holding by a loud ass exhaust with mufflers. Ain't about that life. Right, okay, we're back. So that was a lot trickier than I actually first anticipated. I thought I'd just tighten the gasket or tighten the bolts near the mount thing. That'd be alright. No, I had to. Where is it gone? Yeah, I had to take out the old gasket and put the new one in. So this is the other one I put in. So the actual kit came with 2, the exhaust as well as obviously one for the cat thingy. Oh, as you can see now, it's completely, I don't know if you can see from where you are. Oh, see, close a little bit. As you can see there now, it's completely bone dry. I've put some freaking gasket around the metal sheathing because where the car's so old, it's actually come off. And yeah, it's rattling like crazy. But I've taken the oh shit, my phone. I've taken the muffler out because don't need that shit, do we? That was ball ache. Yeah, I used the end of a mallet because you couldn't just like pull it out. It's too tight, so I literally put the mallet in. Was just doing this the entire time until it came out. It actually worked, surprisingly. I've also tightened the alternator belt, so yeah, it's just like nice and, let me see where, I think it's nice and tight now. There's this bolt here that I've had to add on. This one keeps coming loose, while the nut on the opposite side keeps coming loose. Oh, there we go. As I fucking say it, it's fucking loose. Ugh, there we go, tighten it up again. I can't get a spanner in there, so I have to keep manually tying it up every fucking time. That's a pain in the ass. But yeah, I'll start the car. Yeah, what I'll do, I'll tidy everything up, put everything away, and then I'll start the car for you, and you can hear it without it being up in the air and this, that and the other. Ugh. Yeah. Right. Go. That is the big question, isn't it? Well, actually, oh, oh, that's such a good idea. My phone holder. There you go. That's nothing. Christ. Sounds so good. Shit. Should be a very big